In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds using Questrade. First step is click the main menu on the upper left corner of the screen and then click re requests. Sorry about that, requests, and then click withdraw funds. And then let's wait a little bit. Then as you can see here, new request. It will show the cash that we have. Right now I only have $5, but if you have more, and then click the currency, whether it's Canadian dollar or US dollar. In this example, we're going to do Canadian dollar. Withdrawal amount, it depends on you. So let's say $100. So yeah, it depends on you on how much. On my account, I can only withdraw up to $5 because that's how much cash I have. And then withdrawal method, just click EFT because it's free. The other ones have it's quite expensive. And then banking details, just use your existing EFT and then click on existing EFT, your bank account. I can show it here because it will show the details of my bank account. And then after that, click submit request. So if you do that, it's going to take 2 to 3 business days and cash will be in your bank account. And to make sure that it is in your bank account, just click on request history. As you can see here, new request and request history. Just click on request history. This will show your history of withdrawals on Questrade. As you can see here, I withdraw 30, 80, $20, and then swipe right. As you can see, it will show you if it's completed or cancelled. You can cancel it here. As you can see here, I did a $1 withdrawal, for example, before the start of this video. If you want to cancel it, just click pending approval. Actually, you can cancel it if you already did it. So yeah, and then after 2 to 3 business days, it's going to show completed. So yeah, that's how you withdraw using Questrade.